birthday. Not my family, just my friends, because my family still hasn't. My friend got me this S and this M for Sierra Moore, which I thought was really cool. And then she just got me this little cute cow. So she got me, her grandma got me this. That could be personal, and I'm not going to read you the inside because that's also, who would take their time and paint this side? But there's one thing at the end which I'm going to wait for to lock, and it's just really cute. But I lost. She got me this thing. It's a doodle journal, and she got it in scribbles. So people got me a lot of journals, 2 journals. She got me. This is Zuppy, Zoomer Zuppy, to show you how to make them happy, how to make them. I haven't tried it yet. Well, yeah, I tried it once, but it works, and they said it didn't work for them. So and then yeah, the inside's just between us 2, and that's what my friends got me for my birthday. So they have to send me something in the mail and money and stuff. It's coming in the mail, so yeah, holy cow, it's really something.